Hey guys, Lights Fans and More here, and today we will show you how to enter diagnostic mode on the LG front-loading washing machine. Now please note that to enter diagnostics, the two things that you need is power and water hooked up to the appliance. There is a variety of portions that we're going to go through that will test to make sure this washer works. Make sure that the door lock is working properly. The door is closed. So make sure that nothing is in the drum because this will spin fast and it won't be doing a check to make sure that everything's on balance before it starts spinning. And if anything was in there and it started spinning, then your washer might start rumbling and trembling all over the room. So you'll always make sure that nothing in the drum is in before you begin this cycle. So make sure that the door is closed. And now we can start diagnostic mode. To enter diagnostic mode is simple. You basically just press and hold the spin speed button and the soil level button at the same time, and then push the power button along with it. And then we will see what the washing machine's reaction will be. So we're going to push spin speed and soil level simultaneously, and power button. And you can see that now every light comes on, and of course the lid locked as well to begin the cycle. And you can see it pulse through these funny words right here. Now there are different kinds of portions that we're going to start through. So to begin, you push the button. Now the first thing it's going to do is it's going to spin clockwise, and you'll see that the display shows the RPMs it's spinning at. So it's spinning at about 50 RPMs. Now when we push the button, it's going to start our high speed spin. And this is the part that I'm talking about with not having the close in. So I'm going to push this button again, and it'll start the drain pump. So you can see it spinning at a high rate. And you can see the 5.9 is in 59 RPMs. It's actually 590 RPMs right now. When we push the button again, it'll start going faster and faster and faster. And you can see it's now shaking and everything. And you can see it's now going at 130, 150 RPM, 1150 RPMs. And now when we push the button, that will slow the machine down and we'll start the valve part. Now the first thing it started with the pre-wash inlet valve. We're just going to let it just fill just a little bit. When we push this button again, it starts the main wash valve. Next press, it will start the hot water valve. Then it's going to do the bleach sterilizer part. And now you'll see that now the washing machine should tumble around with all the water inside. The next part is the heater and thermostat. This basically just does nothing. It does the heater for just 3 seconds, and So yeah, so nothing will basically happen at this time. So when you push the button again, it starts draining the water. So your water will be draining. I don't know if you can see it. Let me tilt the camera around so you can kind of see it draining. I know you can't technically see it, but it is draining. So yep, it is draining. And now when the last time when you push the button, it's just gonna shut the machine off. So we're gonna do that. And the door has unlocked. And now self-diagnostic mode is over. Thank you for watching this video, and always comment, rate, subscribe for other videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Lights out.